Right, so welcome to the Healy Guidance section of this week with my dear sister, the Mystery Supreme. All right, please start.
Iligay non-use in a sentence. Langtaw sang maayo. Look closely. Langtaw means to look.
Kinahanglan ko sang bulig mo. I need your help. Bulig means help.
Naduli ko. I'm lost. Naduli means lost.
Diin ka ga-star? Where do you live? Diin means where and ga-star means live. Diin ka ga-star means where do you live? Now you could confuse it with where are you? I mean, is it here that you're staying in? Is it here where you're staying? But it's not, because diin is where. It's not
Nah,
here. It's not
di.
dito or dinhi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Diin kahalin. Where did you come from? Diin means where and halin means leave. So technically, this means where do you leave from?
Yeah, so I looked it up,
What?
but I don't know the actual meaning. I don't have enough sources. But according to Google, halin is the verb of leaving. So where did you leave from is where did you come from? Because why else would he be there, right? So the Inca halin.
Right.
But with us, Halin, I think it also means the same thing in Ilonggo. It's something that is sold quite well at a certain time, but I don't know what it means.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. May ara ka mo sang
Patis.
alugbati. Ara means the state of having. So we don't usually say ara here, right?
May ara.
Mm. Di man taga-ingon og ara danhi.
Naa.
Namoy.
Namoy. Okay. May ari diri makahambal sang Ingles. Is there someone who can speak English? Ari here begs the question of is there?
So it's different because may ara is different from may ari, right?
Ikaw
Kasi
may ari ka.
mahirap kasi apson, habulin yung meaning nito pero alam kong magkaiba sila. Isipin mo, ulitin
Hmm?
ko ulit. May ara ka mo sang may ari. Dili. Because may ari is like closer to you, but
Yeah, it's
ara
like
means it's
here,
it's there in the other
there.
person's side, right?
Amazing.
Paano mo hambalon
But
ang cornucopia sang Hiligaynon? So sang is something we don't say here. Sang Hiligaynon.
yeah,
Hambalon, ingnon mandanigod.
that's it. That's it for your
Yeah,
Iligaynon.
that's it for my Hiligaynon.
Should I add?
Okay, you can teach me some Hiligaynon.
Uh, wait. Give me access to that file.
What file? I have a lot of other Hiligaynon words, but I don't have them in sentences yet. So it's not gonna be smooth. I don't want to watch an unsmooth video anymore.